Hi, the product which I will review today is the Nat Habit Fresh Hair Nutri Mask. I'm going to try it out for the first time today, and this is actually a five oil hibiscus fuse. And if I read out the ingredients, it has hibiscus, it has amla, neem, bringraj, shikakai, fenugreek, coconut oil, mustard oil, black sesame oil, argan oil, castor oil, jojoba, shea butter, and other essential herbs and oil. So they haven't really classified what all essential herbs and oil, but it has a lot of these natural ingredients in this, and it claims that it actually strengthens your hair, promotes hair growth, and it actually repairs the damaged hair. So I have my hair is a bit dry, and you can see it's little bit, it's kind of damaged because it's color treated hair, and so I thought I should try out this mask. And since it is made of all natural elements, I thought it will be good to try out. So let me try out and give you a feedback of this. Once it had come, actually this has a shelf life of 30 days. So as instructed, I had kept it in the refrigerator because it's made up of natural elements, ingredients, and hence I had kept it in the refrigerator. But when I took it out of the refrigerator, it was kind of hard, probably because the oil would have become cold and it would have caused that hardness. So we're supposed to keep it out for 10 minutes so that it again kind of comes back to the normal room temperature. So I'm going to open it in front of you. Depending upon the hair length, they have asked, you can use 1/3 of the pack or 1/4 of the pack, and my hair is actually short. It's not that long, so I'm just emptying out. As you see, you can actually, it smells nice. And I'm actually going to just kind of mix it. And as they've mentioned, not just roots, we can actually apply across the length. So roots is definitely there, and you can actually apply it over the entire length. And I checked, they mentioned that you don't need to really oil your hair before applying it because it has a lot of oil in it, and once applied you have to keep it for 40-45 minutes. So I'm just going to continue applying it. So after applying it on the roots, scalp, and the entire length, this is how the mask looks on the hair. It looks a bit, it looks oily because it has a lot of oily ingredients like jojoba, shea butter, neem oil, lot of these oil ingredients in this, apart from hibiscus. And hibiscus, amla, I had mentioned all the other ingredients, and it looks a bit oily, but I have applied it throughout the length of my hair. My hair is short, but you see I have applied almost like half of the packet. So if your hair is longer in length, you might end up using more than half, probably one complete full packet also, depending upon the length of your hair. And see, it's not little, it's quite oily, so you don't really need to oil your hair before applying the mask. And while I was applying, and since I'm already suffering for some bit of, not some bit, quite a lot of hair fall, and like you would be able to relate to that if you are already suffering from hair loss. When you apply oil and massage, you will actually see those strands of hair coming out. You will and that will be more visible when you are applying oil or when you are shampooing. So the same thing happened with me while applying mask. I had some good amount of hair fall. But I'm hoping that, with continuity and use of this mask, I would be able to, uh, you know I will be able to see good result, and the hair fall will reduce substantially. So let's see. uh, After applying the mask, we need to keep it for 40 minutes or 45 to 1 hour. In fact, 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm actually going to leave it like this, do some work till I actually am able to wash my hair. So this is how my hair is looking after washing. You can see there is a bit of shine, but at the same time the oil did not get washed out properly. I was using sulfate free shampoo. I've used sulfate free shampoo, and sulfate free shampoo, it's it's not that harsh, and you need more of shampoo to remove the oil part. So probably I should have used sulfate wala shampoo, or more quantity of shampoo to wash it off. And this is the first time since I have used it. I will have to probably try it out a couple of more times to see how beneficial it is for my hair, in terms of controlling the hair fall. But yeah, the hair feels nice, smooth, and there is a shine in it. The leftover content has to be stored back into the refrigerator. So I'm going to put it back into the refrigerator. One thing I forgot to mention was that this package, when it had come, there was a cute little envelope, and there was a personalized note in this, which was actually it stated the different products which they were sending, how to use, what are the benefits, etc. So this is bit nice and personalized, and they also have a WhatsApp number where you can contact, and if you need any advice, suggestions. So that's pretty good. But overall quality, how it turns out in terms of improving the hair, obviously it's not going to happen in one instance. It's not magic, definitely. I'm not expecting that to happen, but maybe I'll come back to you with an actual genuine feedback of whether it is turning out to be good for my hair. So thank you. Next review, I'll come back with one of the oils which I have taken from this particular company. I will use that, and I'll give you a genuine review on that. Till then, bye. Take care.